Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I am super excited to unbox the Zwift Ride with the Wahoo KICKR 2 Core. So Wahoo KICKR Core 2. And this is really going to be great. This is going to be my setup for the winter. I'm going to be trying this out. If you watch my past video, I do also have the Wahoo KICKR roller, and we'll talk about comparisons on another video. But today, we're going to be unboxing this. We're going to put it together, and I'm going to set it up by my Zwift station. So if you're looking for a Zwift ride, a dedicated trainer, stay tuned. All right, as we get started here, we have 1, 2, 3 boxes, but we also have a 4th box, which I have to the side. However, this box says start here. So we're going to start with this box. Okay, as I get into this, it looks like we have a welcome kit. Looks like it has the instructions. And so, of course, we are going to read through them. So right away, it looks like we have the multi-tool. This will go through, and I think this will be the tool that will be able to adjust everything on the bike. So I'm going to put it here for safekeeping. All right, so in the box, we do have pedals, but I will be using my own pedals, which are Shimano SPDs. And these ones are flat pedals. So that's kind of cool because if you don't have, let's say, if you don't have cycling shoes or cleats, and this will get you up and running right away. Also in this box, looks like is the handlebars. So that's going to be great. So it looks like this is going to be a rubber pad that you can lay your remote. I'm sure, what does it? It has some pizza, donuts, water bottle, etc. Okay, actually just looking at this box, we got a few things here. So like I said, it does have the flat pedals, has charging cables, a through axle, and some wire management. So this is something I'll be using in a little bit. So we have the Wahoo KICKR 2 here, which we just need to put on the legs. It looks like it's color coded, so it makes it nice and easy. And it has the Zwift Cog, so that is great. Looks pretty simple so far. In the box came with the charger, instructions. Obviously, everything here is going to be the tools, probably Allen key and screws to put the legs together. So I'm going to put that together right now. Okay, the Wahoo KICKR Core 2 is set up and ready to go in the area. Now we need to put the bike down, which is going to be quite cool. Just moving things about, cleaning up a little bit as we go. It's actually fairly simple. Now I'm taking a look at all this. This is actually pretty easy to put together so far. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is the Zwift Ride. It is actually heavier than I thought it would be. And I think that's a good thing because it's pretty much all put together. So yeah, let's clear this out. If you probably saw me there, I was quite easy to open up the box, just a few clips and the top just comes off. Okay, everybody, due to time, all I have to do is I have this card here, and it will actually shows me like height, gives me pretty much all the dimensions to make sure that it fits at least in the ballpark for my height. So we're gonna go through this really quick. And then all right, so my battery died finishing putting this together, the Zwift Ride. Now it's put together. It is a solid piece of equipment. I can't wait to go on my first ride. So a few things. Here is the Wahoo KICKR Core 2 with the Zwift Cog. The Zwift Ride, I've adjusted to the seat. What's really cool, it does come with a card, and it will give you some really easy in that area adjustments to the seat as well as to the handles. And I did change to my SPD pedals. It does come with flat pedals. And I also got the extra accessory. Unfortunately, it's an extra accessory for the tablet holder on the handlebars. That being said, I have charged the controllers. It comes with the charging cable through USB-C. It is a nice, beefy bike, but that's okay. What's nice about this, just quick benefits, is that the KICKR Core 2 does have Wi-Fi, so I can bridge all my sensors that I need to onto my Apple TV for Zwift, which is nice, and it is fairly stable. And really, honestly, I can't wait for my first Zwift ride. No pun intended. Cages are solid. The mat here to hold your phone and the tablet holder is nice and solid. Had no issues adjusting. And literally with this Allen key, which has a nice spot underneath the frame, can adjust everything on the Zwift Ride. So this is the setup. Hopefully you found value in this video. If you did, you know what to do. And until next time.